So gang, stay focused. Stay focused, gang. I'm gonna be dropping as much content as I can for you. Um, so don't even worry. Like this is GPUSD. Um, GPUSD right now. Let's go to the like 2 hour. Uh, price was at here 32. We have our key levels. Um, boom, went all the way up to 38.2. Boom, before going what to 0.136, right? So boom, right? Um, so it went from A to B. It went from A to B to C, or from A. This could be B right here. This would be like C. C was the lowest point price was at. B, went from all it was at C, consolidating at C, then it went to B, started consolidating at B, then we're waiting for price to go to 27 extension level, which will be 38.2. But it retested back down. Obviously it was in the uptrend for the last um it was in an uptrend for the last, let's scroll in. It was in an uptrend for the last 1, 2, 3, like literally 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 10 days. Like for like the last 2 weeks, it's been going up. Which is good, we could price, price been, it been going up smoothly too, like smooth. You see green candlestick. This is what I'm used to. This is what we're used to right here, gang. 27 extension is right here. Obviously 27 extension. We're used to this game. Like we're used for price to move like this. This is what we want. We want to see smooth momentum. Price moving smoothly. You can see like when price is wicking like here, all these wicks right here and stuff. This is October 20th. Like the pandemic is like making price like, and like you. That's why it's so important that you pay attention to the news. Um, major announcements and stuff when it comes to the news, because depending on the news, like if the market is like if GPUSD is having like if Great Britain is having like a bad week or something, or like a new fundamentals coming out in the news, like it's so and so important to look at the news, then it'll let you know like, oh, like this is why you see all these wicks like this. Like we're not used to seeing like wicks like this. Like this is sloppy. Like this is choppy right here. It's like a lot of choppiness going on, a lot of wicks going on. This is on a weekly. Um, we want price to be smooth. We want price to go up smooth. Um, so like you see all these wicks right here, up and down wicks, up and down wicks, a lot of up and down wicks, and then finally now, it has been like going up smooth. Like this is what we're used to. Um, so pay attention to that. Be very mindful. I haven't been trading GPUSD because it's been wicking like that, but now it's been going back actually pretty smooth. Like look on a 1 hour smooth candlesticks. Like this is what I'm used to. Seeing smooth candlesticks going straight down. This is a smooth downtrend. So this is what we want to see. We want to see like smoothness. So you don't want to get in when the market's like choppy or making a lot of wicks. Like I'm gonna see if I can see it on a 15. We might be able to see like see it's very smooth right here. Um Here we go back in the past. Like smoothness, very smooth. A lot of wicks right here. Like this is wicky too much right here to get in. Even though it's on a 15. Um Crazy wicks right here. You just be very mindful because of the because of like the pandemic and like maybe a fundamental announcement. The market could be like it could be very choppy, and we don't want to get in when the market's like wicking up and down, not really creating like smooth structure like long candlesticks. We want long candlesticks, like we want long candlesticks, smooth candlesticks like this, like this. But just a few, like I have to scroll all the way back. um I have to scroll all the way back, like, and go in the past to like see uh like all these like wicks right here, all these wicks, all these wicks. This is all because of the pandemic what's been going on lately. Price usually moves smooth. It's usually smooth like this, like literally smooth like this. Like when it's wicky, when it's like wicking too much like that, it's not a good time to get in for trades. You know, it's not. We're used to price. Um, we're used to price doing this, making smooth structure, making smooth downtrends, smooth uptrends. So be mindful of that game. Just be mindful of that. I wanted to share that to y'all. That was GPUSD. We did Dogecoin. We did gold. Uh, we broke down gold. Um, GPUSD. We broke down GPUSD. So I'm gonna be dropping a lot of more content for y'all, gang. So don't even worry. Very, very important. Um, that you understand how to, trade in this market. So whatever I can do to help y'all analyze the market. These are my key levels right here. I'm gonna help you whatever I can. 35 is like a good key level. 37 is a good key level. 38. So I'm gonna keep dropping a lot more content. You would just follow the trend. You would just follow the trend. The trend is an uptrend. So like I don't teach y'all to trade against the trend. I teach y'all to trade with the trend. Go follow the trend. Like a smooth uptrend, smooth uptrend. Candles are still above this candle is above this trend line. Once we see a break below, obviously once we see a break below, and price doesn't want to continue up, it could continue going back up to 1800, our next key level. But if it doesn't, if it just breaks below, cool. It breaks below, and then if it bounces off this trend line, and then breaks back below, comes back up here and down here. Cool. Once we see that, we're looking for sell. We're looking for sell. Boom. Once we see price break this trend line right here, boom. This trend line is no longer valid. Boom. This trend line right here it's no longer valid once we see a break of that trend line. So now we're looking for sell. It's going to go up, bounce off this trend line, and then head back down. And make another lower high before heading back down. It's going to make structure. So I'm gonna do whatever I can to help you all become great traders. Be patient with the market, analyze the market, ride the trend, be careful of your account size, be careful of how much you are risking, how much capital you're risking, because you can blow your account. You can wipe your account out. I've seen it done. I have blown my accounts before, thousands of accounts, like 2,000, 3,000. You can even blow like 10,000, 20,000 accounts if you're being greedy, if you're making like 20 trades, trying to be greedy, trying to like make 100,000 in one day, and you don't have the capital yet to do that. um, so you just want to just take your time with this market. Like take your time with this market. Um, and I'm just gonna keep dropping more content for y'all, gang. Um, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. I hope these videos help. I'll drop a lot more content for y'all. All right, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang.